Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Steven here. Today we are looking at the BTF lighting LED strip. The one I have in my hand here is a 16-foot LED strip, and it's a multicolor LED strip that will do between 3000 to 6000 K with a remote controller. So you can choose the color that you'd like on the LED strip. I'm going to use it for some accent lighting. I want to use this particular area of my office as a recording space, and I think it'd be a little more interesting if I had some lighting behind me. So with this, it comes with some adhesive on the back that makes the installation really easy. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what's in the box, and then we'll get into the install. So the inside of the box looks like this. You can see the remote right on top. Let's take that out. And underneath some of the accoutrement, we have our actual LED. It comes wrapped in this nice sheer covering to protect it, and in a more robust plastic cover on the outside. So nicely wound up for protection there. So we can open that up, little piece of tape to open, and then it unrolls like this. Now on the back of this, you'll see the nice 3M logo. So this is a good quality 3M tape that can be used to adhere this to whatever you'd like. So pretty simple LED strip like that. And here's a close-up of that remote so that you can see the variety of functionality. You can do different tones of white as well as a wide variety of colors. So really nicely done and all accessible via the LED controller that goes into the end of the strip. And now over in this pack, you get some additional components here. You get some additional wiring components like so. And you also get some additional connector components and some connections. So if you want to actually like screw this into a surface more permanently than with just the adhesive, you can totally do that. I'm going to go ahead and do the adhesive installation because I think that's simplest, and having done these before, I think it's more than sufficient. And in the box we have a nice 110 plug, so this will go into the wall, and I will plug the other end into the strip. So once you get this plugged in, the 110 end of the cord goes into the LED controller and into the end of the lighting array, and you'll see it start to change colors there. Here we can now hit it with our selection. So just so I don't have a seizure, I'm going to go ahead and just change it to white here before we get it installed. But I wanted to show you how that works with the connector. There is simply a plus on the end, and the plus end matches the arrow. And so they do that so you know which end to plug it in, because there isn't another indicator other than the arrow points to the plus sign. On the other end of this spool, you can see it is the female end. The female end would allow you to do a long run of this. So if you needed to do, say, an under counter job, you could totally extend the end of this by adding just another line of the same to the other end without having to insert another of the power adapter. So that's really handy. So this can essentially be as long as you'd like it to be. Now, as I'm unspooling this to get it installed, it's a good time to mention the lifespan on this. This lighting array has a 65,000 hour lifespan. And so that is, I mean, just impressive, right? I'm going to use this as a backlight for this area, which will become an area for me to shoot some YouTube videos. And so I really want to make it nice and vibrant in the backlight color. And I think this is going to do a great job. But I wanted to show you how really nice and flush this fits in just against the edge of this appliance. And so really nice, flat, flush fit. And I think the effect of the LED is really impressive I just love the way that looks. So being able to adjust the colors or even to do kind of different scenes with it. And so it has these really neat options to adjust the strength of the LED, the color profiles, just a really nice, well put together product. And I love the ability to be able to extend it to additional strands. So if I wanted to do maybe a set of lighting under the couch, for example, I could easily just plug that into the end and carry it over. So a really nice product, I think, and something that if you're looking for LED lighting, hopefully this helps you kind of to see what this product offers and to make a good decision for yourself. As always, I appreciate you for tuning into my videos. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks so much. Bye.